In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your date of birth e-file reject on Turbotax. Whether you're filing your taxes for the first time or you're a seasoned filer, stumbling upon an e-file rejection due to incorrect date of birth can be both surprising and a little frustrating. Luckily, the solution is easier than you might think, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and head over to the Turbotax official site. Just type in the URL, or you can do a quick search for Turbotax and click on the official link. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner and you'll find the sign in button. Go ahead and click on that. If you don't already have an account or are not logged in, just use your current credentials to access your Turbotax profile. After you've successfully signed in, make sure you're on the Turbotax homepage. It should showcase a lot of helpful features, but today our focus is fixing that e-file rejection. On the homepage, look for an option that says 2024 taxes and give it a click. This will direct you to the page where you can review your tax information for the current year. Next, find the review option. Clicking on it will enable Turbotax to check for any potential issues that might affect your tax filing process, including any e-file rejections you've encountered. Once the review is complete, it's time to start addressing the issues. One of the valuable features on Turbotax is the ability to highlight specific issues, which we'll find by clicking Start. After that, click on See Issues so you are able to clearly identify what areas need attention, particularly those related to your personal information. Now look for a section labelled Personal Info. After you click on it, this is where you'll have the chance to address discrepancies in your personal information, like an incorrect date of birth. The site will highlight the Fix button, which points directly to the problem area. When you see this, click on it to proceed to the specific field that needs correction. Finally, you'll reach your date of birth field. It's crucial here to ensure that the date is entered accurately, exactly as it appears on official documents like your driver's license or birth certificate. Check it carefully, update any necessary inaccuracies, and save your changes. With these adjustments made, your information should now be ready for resubmission. You can head back to the main filing section to finalize your e-file. That's it. Easy, right? With these steps, you'll breeze through resolving any date of birth e-file rejects and be back on track with your tax filing in no time. Happy filing.